Data pages or declare pages are used to load data declaratively in your application. The main purpose of data page is for catching. Say there is an external system of record or an external web service and you are populating data in your data page from an external service by using connector. You can populate this data in a data page and you can keep the data so that you can reuse it across your applications at multiple times depending on the staleness of the data retrieved. So say if the data that you retrieved is valid for 1 day, so for the next 24 hours you can reuse data from this data page without the need to hit this service once again, which improves the performance of your application. The main purpose of data page is caching. The difference between normal clipboard page and a data page is data page comes with different scopes so that you can use a recommended scope as per your need to reuse the data page data at multiple levels. You want to reuse across the thread or across the node. Based on that, you can take a valuable decision. Thank you.